In front of me is PocoPad, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a photo and a paperclip at the bottom right corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, select audio here. You can also tap on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Sorry, misclick. Either way, when you find your file, just click on it to attach it. To add a video one, select the same icon and this time click on video. Then click on the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!